Hey Troy, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to send you out this quick video. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I just wanted to go over a few things with you today. First off, I want to say I like your business name. I think it's cool that you were able to utilize your name with your business. Now, after this video, it's just going to be hopefully just really quick, and all I do ask in return is if I could possibly get some feedback. It would be greatly appreciated. Now, the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything that you see on your front page here. Any words that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. Now that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that's going to be a big help in the long run. So I use this tool over here called Ahrefs, and I did input your information. Now this is going to show me the analytics of your website. And when we take a look here, you see the DR and the UR, which this goes over your strength and your trust with Google. Now the UR is the strength, the DR is the trust. Now the idea is you want to be able to build those up as evenly as possible, and they're on a scale of 100. Now, you're also not indexing for any keywords at the moment or any backlinks. Now, all of these things come together, and what that does is it's going to help you move up on Google. Now, the best place to be found is always going to be on Google Map Pack here. You want to be able to have your business right there in people's faces. Those are the ones that are going to get the most clicks to their website and be able to convert the most business. Now, I did look at one of your competitors in the area. Looking at their website, they have quite a bit of content on their front page. And then I also pulled up their analytics. So if we come over here, they are ranking for a little bit more. They have some more strength and trust on their website. They have 155 backlinks. And then they are also ranking for 393 keywords. So the idea here is to be able to see everything that they have. We want to be able to see what we can find that works for your website as well, that we can implement into the website to be able to get you ranking so that way your website and business moves up on Google so people can find you easier and you get more traffic to your business. Now, you also want to be able to make sure you're getting citations. Now, what a citation is going to be anything that your business phone number, name, and address are found on things like Yelp, things like Yellow Pages. You want to be able to have your business out there in many different ways. Also, on your Google business profile, there's a place for you to put like your description. It's a 750 word area, and you want to be able to have all 750 words filled out. And in that, you also want to be able to utilize some of those keywords that you want your business to be found for. You also want to be very responsive with your reviews and your messages, and make sure you keep posting weekly like branded posts and geolocated photos when it comes to your business, and that's going to help with your relevance as well. So once you pull all of these things together, that's going to definitely help you build more trust, more strength with Google. You're going to be able to move up on to the Google Map Pack and move your business up those organic rankings as well. That's definitely where we want to get you, is up on this Map Pack and get you up in these rankings. That way you get more traffic, more conversions to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and send this over to you. It's going to have all my information attached. Please call, text, email, whatever works best for you. But I want to say thank you so much again for letting me take the time to be able to send you this quick video. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.